Hello, my friends. It's Miss DeLeon, and today we are going to be reviewing syllables. Now, we know what syllables are. Syllables are just the parts in a word. They are the parts where you put them together, it makes the word. So, today we're going to be looking at spring pictures and deciding how many syllables does this word have? And putting it under the correct number. So let's get ready to use our fingers so we can see how many syllables these words have. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Let's go ahead and look at the first picture. Now here are my flower pots. I'm going to pull out a picture and we're going to have to decide how many syllables it has and put it on top of the right flower pot. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to be looking at words and seeing how many syllables it has. Let's look at the first one. It's a watermelon. During springtime, lots of people like to plant seeds. And some of the seeds that you can plant are watermelon. So let's get our fingers ready. Here's our hand, and let's see how many syllables watermelon has. Are you ready? Watermelon. 4 syllables. So I need to find number 4. Here it is. And I'm going to put it on a flower in the pot with number 4 because it has 4 syllables. Let's look at another picture. An umbrella, because in the spring, especially in April, we see a lot of rain because all of these plants and flowers need to start growing. So we might be seeing a lot of rain for the month of April. But let's figure out how many syllables are in the word umbrella. Hand out. Fingers ready. Umbrella. How many syllables? 3. So I'm going to look for the pot with number 3. Here it is. And find a flower for the pot with number 3. All right, let's look at the next picture. It's a little frog. Let's see how many syllables are in the word frog. Hand up. Fingers ready. Frog. How many? Just 1 syllable. So I need to look for the pot with number 1. Here it is. Let me move that frog to a flower in the pot with number 1 for 1 syllable. Now let's look at another picture. It's a rainbow. When might you see a rainbow in the sky? After it rains and when the sun is shining, that's when you can see a rainbow. Well, let's figure out how many syllables are in the word rainbow. Hand up, fingers ready. Rainbow. 2. So I need to look for the pot with number 2. Here it is, and I'm going to put it right on top of that flower. All right, let's look at the next one. It's a caterpillar. We have caterpillars in the library, and we're watching them to see what they turn into. So let's figure out how many syllables are in the word caterpillar. Hand up, fingers ready. Caterpillar. 4 syllables. So I need to find the pot with number 4. Here it is, and let me move it to that flower. There we go. And finally, our last word is a bee. Let's see how many syllables the word bee has. Hand up, fingers ready. Bee. Just 1. And here's my pot with number 1. Let me move that bee over on top of this flower. Way to go, friends. We just figured out how many syllables are in all of our spring words, and then we put them where they need to go in the right pot. So here's what I want you to do. I want you guys to think of 3 things that you might see during spring. And tell me how many syllables are in each of those words. All right, my friends, I will see you next time. Bye.